Hello, sir. Yes. Well, I'm coming from Tanzania, and I also come from an agricultural university. I work there as a laboratory scientist, but also as an appointed technologist of a soon launched agri-tech station. This is a scholarship combined from my country and Indonesian government. Yes. Okay, I chose ITS because of its promising abilities to deliver its education. I have gone through it and seen how much, when I compared to the university in my country, I saw how much excellent it is in delivering its educational skills. And I'm coming from an agricultural university, I had I had to apply to a university that can deliver the skills that could be applied in agricultural sector back in my country. And as for Indonesia and Tanzania, Indonesia is of more, I would say, it performs really well in agriculture compared to my country. So I chose in ETS because ETS delivers the course that would uh, would merge with my professional and also my career in order to be able to bring back home the knowledge that I have received from the university. Okay, I knew about ITS by internet. I went through the internet. I saw their professors from the department I wanted to go in, and tried to research a little about what they do, their research, and how the research is cited with other researchers. And to me, it was promising. Yeah. Okay. It is an analysis that I've done to assess how the lean manufacturing drives the operational excellence across across industries. Well, the presentation is based on 5 recent journals articles, uh, where the topic of all these journal combined is lean manufacturing excellence. Well, to introduce lean manufacturing, I have gone through it and come to find out that lean manufacturing is originated from Toyota company, and it is closely tied up to Toyota production system. And its focuses are on principle like just in time, Kaizen, and 5S, where Kaizen influence um, the continuous small improvements, and for the just in time, it emphasizes on producing what's needed when needed. And for 5S, represent the workflow organization of a company, where it includes the 5S: sort, set, shine, and standardize and sustain. Yeah, so these papers insist that adapting lean manufacturing is quite crucial in highly regulated industries like automotive, plastic, like suggested in the papers, but also sensitive industries like food industries. Well, the methodology that I used a review of the 5 papers that are published between year 2023 to year 2024. And the article that I have assessed, they show how lean has been implemented in the industries like automotive, railway, and plastic industries. And my goal in this analysis is to extract both lessons and limitations. article number 1. This article number 1 is about a title of roadmap to achieving operational excellence through lean management, implementation, and quality management conformance. It is about an automotive industries, and it shows where lean is used to solve problems like production flow and misalignment between lean and quality management system standard, the QMS. And the author showed the integration of the lean with IAFT 16949 to enhance quality and reduce defects. This application, they used tools like 5S, value stream, and standard operating procedures, the SOPs. Yeah. Then the paper showed the achievement, and it was a 60% reduction in lead time, enhanced product quality, and also improved regulatory compliance. That's increasing things like customer satisfaction. Yeah. For the second article, it was about railway manufacturing, where the title was Achieving Manufacturing Excellence Using Lean, DMAIC, meaning define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. The lean was used to eradicate problems like inefficiency such as waiting time, also overproduction and document errors, where the use of tools like DMAIC, root cause analysis, failure mode, effect analysis, quality functions and development methods, they were able to achieve a 42.86% reduction of non-value added activities. Streamlined document flow, they achieved the streamlined document flow. They also improved alignment with master production schedule, which resulted into the improvement of delivery and material accuracy. The third article was titled Production Optimization in Plastic Packaging Plant, Lean Manufacturing Operational Excellence Model. This was specifically about plastic packaging manufacturing plant, and lean was used to solve issues like untimely delivery, defect products, and raw material shortage, where by applying tools like 5S, Jidoka, Kanban, they were able to achieve a reduction of defective products from 18% to 10%. They were also achieved improved on-time delivery from 58% to 95%. And rework also from 7% to 3%. That was then 6 to 8 months. The fourth article was Lean Manufacturing Excellence, Innovative Approach in Industrial Engineering. This was about industrial engineering sector, where the paper used lean to solve issues like waste reduction, process inefficiency, integration of emerging technologies. So by applying a combination of, by combining lean with Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and automation, they were able to reduce downtime by 30% and cause efficiency in quality, where it was increased by 40%, and also things like material waste reduction, it was done by 20%, and energy consumption by 15%, etc. The fifth, it was on furniture manufacturing, where the title was Enhancing Operational Excellence of Wood and Furniture Manufacturing Industries in Malaysia, the role of lean culture as generative mechanism. This paper was done in Malaysia, wood and furniture industry, and lean was used to be applied to address low operational efficiency and nascent lean adoption. So they applied tools like work standardization, built-in quality, just-in-time production, and they achieved significant positive impact on operational excellence by mediating lean culture with a path coefficient of 0.89 for lean practice to lean culture, and a 0.5 coefficient for lean culture to manufacturing excellence. So they achieved things like 78.9% variance in lean culture, and thus improved the delivery and quality and cost saving, for customer satisfaction. So, so the main point that were discussed throughout all the 5 papers were importance of lean culture, where it spoke about the respect for people and Kaizen, like combining the workforce ability the ability to participate in application of lean culture and the continuous small improvement. Also the role of technology, where integrating the industry 4 with lean practices, and also there was like common challenges that happens in small and medium enterprises, like limited resources, resistance to change, and compliance gaps, lack of standardization metrics, especially in those small and medium enterprises. So they spoke about those kind of challenges, and also for the real measurable gain, where they spoke of defect reducing, cost reducing, and delivery increasing. Yeah, those were the main point of these papers. So the gap that was identified, they were like limited integration of lean with compliance and sustainability, which is one of the very big points for the manufacturing industry in order for achieving manufacturing excellence. So especially for in sensitive industries like automotive industries and food industries. Also, insufficient research on lean culture as a mediator, like integrating the modern lean practices and the traditional ones. And also, gap was found on lacking of unified framework that combines Lean Six Sigma which is a very effective method of dealing with improving manufacturing excellence, and regulatory and regulatory compliance and green goals. Also for small and medium enterprises, gaps and high variability industries needed scalable and affordable lean tools. Also, metrics like standardization. Okay, I propose a unified framework combining the DMAIC with food safety and sustainability goals. Food safety, why food safety? It's because this is one among the very sensitive industries. So I have, I am due to my analysis of these papers, I have come up with an idea that we can align Lean Six Sigma with HACCP and FSMA. Also, we can also do the real-time compliance using the Internet of Things and artificial intelligence. Also, we could support small, medium enterprises and high-risk industries. Well, future research directions should be on expanding Lean beyond current boundaries. Also, for food industries should validate the framework into the food industry for excellence. Also, we could develop green lean with circular metrics. Also, cross-industry case studies are needed. So, my conclusion was lean works, but it needs proper culture. Proper integration with the traditional practices, and also technology alignments should be integrated into the lean practices. And the goal is not just to get efficiency, but also to make compliancy and also to make industries to be environmental responsive. Yeah. Thank you. Okay.